The article that Terry Suet published on the Online Citizen's website was titled, Open Letter to Singapore's Chief Justice Concerning Omissions in Opening of Legal Year 2021 Speech. It reproduced a letter written by an Australian citizen and former Singapore permanent resident, Ms. Julie Mary O'Connor, which was originally posted on her personal blog. Ms. O'Connor's letter questioned the equity of Singapore's justice system and referenced Chief Justice Sundaresh Menon's speech during the ceremony marking the opening of the 2021 legal year. The letter also mentions several high-profile cases, including that of Mr. Lee Shengwu, the nephew of Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong, who was fined for contempt of court, Ms. Part 1 Liani, a foreign domestic worker who was acquitted of stealing from her former employer, and Mrs. Lee Suet Fern, who was found guilty of professional misconduct in her handling of founding Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew's will. Mr. Suet published Ms. O'Connor's letter in its entirety on the TOC website on January 27, 2021. He also shared the article link on TOC's Facebook page and reproduced an excerpt in a Facebook blurb. The Attorney General's Chambers, AGC, sent a letter of demand to Mr. Suet about 5 months later, asking him to remove and delete the article and Facebook post. When he refused to do so and disputed the accusations through his lawyers, AGC initiated contempt proceedings against him, which led to the recent fine of 18,000 Singapore dollars. To avoid this legal battle, Terry Suet could have exercised more caution in publishing Ms. O'Connor's letter. He could have considered the potential legal implications of publishing a letter that made allegations against the integrity of Singapore's justice system and named specific individuals involved in ongoing legal proceedings. He could have sought legal advice before publishing the letter and taken steps to verify the accuracy of its contents. Additionally, he could have complied with the AGC's letter of demand to remove and delete the article and Facebook post, which may have prevented the initiation of contempt proceedings. Thanks for tuning in to this response video. If you want to stay up to date on the latest reactions and responses, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as always, I love reading your comments and feedback.